CreateLoveShare. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from DIYDigitalArt. So they contacted me and asked me if I would like to review some more of their products, and I said yes, of course. They have a very large range of budget-friendly crafty items, and I've always found the company very good to deal with, and they got good prices and large variety. So I've chosen two different diamond paintings today. They've come in just a standard bag, and I've got two diamond paintings. So I'll start off with the small one. So this one here is a special drill diamond painting. Is it 40 by 40, I think? No, I've got it wrong. It says right there. This is a 30 by 60. Well. Oh, get the plastic off. There we go. So this one's a 30 by 60, and it is a special drill diamond painting, and it is a partial. The first things first, I can actually feel that the canvas is quite soft. So I saw this and I thought, oh, that is so pretty, because I was going to go for a smaller one, and I saw this one and I just liked the length of it. So you have your canvas and your bits and pieces here. Wow, that looks pretty awesome. Pretty cool. All right, and in here, your toolkit, you just get a standard toolkit with that one. Let's have a look at this. Wow. Oh, gee, I like that. Isn't that lovely? I just thought it looked so pretty on the website, and I like how they've done the background. It's really, really nice. Now I'm just going to pull this plastic back a bit just so I can get some of those crinkles out. And let it sit a bit flatter. On the other side. And that should straighten out a few days. Won't take very long. There we go. Wow, that is gorgeous. I really love how they've done the background. I think it's really effective. It's just so pretty. Really, really beautiful. 30 by 60. It has 10 different drills in it. Looks like we've got a variety of shapes and marquees. I think we've got some stars in there as well, so that'll be pretty awesome. I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. It's very, very clearly printed. Won't have any issues there. I just love the background, especially down here. That looks so cool. There's two symbol keys, one on each side. Isn't that just gorgeous? And I love how it's not just one, part of the Dreamcatcher. You've got these two bits underneath as well. I really love that, and I love how they've done the feathers. So that looks pretty easy to follow. I don't think there'll be any issues whatsoever. That looks pretty good. And I'll bring you over to this symbol key over here up the top. Now it is a little tiny symbol key, but there's no problems. No problems reading that at all. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this. How pretty is that? All right, I'll bring you into the center and we'll have a look at those drills. All right, out we go. Have a look at those drills. So the drills come on a standard strip. Ugh. How many were there? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we'll start off with this one because this one looks pretty cool. So you've got some absolutely gorgeous silver stars. How pretty are they? Some beautiful long marquees. I love how it picks up little bits of the purple in that. Got some blue rounds. Some gold stars, some larger red rounds. I love these. I love these types of drills where they pick up the extra little colors there. So you've got your blue and greens and yellows that it picks up. A little bit of pink. Love that. You have some white AB, so it's got an AB coating on it for some extra sparkle. And you got your normal rhinestones. You have this absolutely gorgeous purple, dark blue, and this beautiful sort of bluey green color. And I'm just looking at the backs of those drills and they look really good. Actually, you don't see any scratched ones so far, so they look pretty awesome. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful Dreamcatcher. They had a few different great Dreamcatchers on there, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go for a long one. I really like the size of that. Really, really beautiful. Oh, that is just gorgeous. All right, on to the next diamond painting. This one is another special drill as well, and this one is a 40 by 40 centimeter partial diamond painting. And wow, this canvas is super soft. Gee, it's beautiful. Beautiful canvas. And this one is beautiful partial moon. Oh wow. Oh golly. Of course it all falls on the floor. You get a standard toolkit and drills. But how gorgeous is that? Oh wow. As soon as I saw this, I was like, oh yes. I really like that. It's quite different. And again with the backgrounds, like they're just so beautiful. Just get him to sit flat. There we go. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? A crescent moon. I love it. I love the background. I think it's so pretty. And I love the fact that it is 40 by 40 centimeter. I think if it was a 30 by 30, it'd be too crammed in there. This one, you got a bit of space. Your drills can shine. I just love it. Absolutely beautiful. And there's not too much going on there that you have to drill. So I love that. All right, in we go. We'll have a look at that drill field. In we go. So no issues at all reading those symbols. I love that. I just love those bits in the sky. This little chain effect, so pretty. So bring it up to the top. And I love how the background's really subtle. Like the printing is quite subtle. Really beautiful. Over here to the symbol key, we have 10 different symbols. Looks like we've got some stars in there as well, which is awesome. And I'll just bring you down this way. There's a symbol key on each side. How beautiful is that? I just love this intricate sort of pattern in here. And the way they've done that background, it looks absolutely beautiful. Over this way, and then I'll bring you into the middle. Very, very pretty. I mean, especially like, I just love that. I just think it's so intricate. Very delicate. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. And we'll have a look at those drills. So again, drills come on a standard strip. Okay, so I've got some yellows and golds in here. That's pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so we have in this packet here, we've got some large gold rounds. Some more stars. We've got silver and gold. Oh, these are pretty cool. Some sort of domed purple teardrops. So that they actually sit quite high. Can we see that? Let's see how high that goes. It sits up quite high. Oh, you probably can't see it very well, but anyway, it sits up quite high, those ones. Backs look really good on those. This one here, you've got some really beautiful, wow, some beautiful reddy, orangey marquees. They're gorgeous. With some teeny tiny teardrops. You have some yellow AB drills. And then onto our rhinestones, you've got yellow, purple. Wow, loving those purples. And a light purple as well. So really beautiful colors. Absolutely gorgeous. I've got a few scratchbacks in this one. Just a couple that I can tell. Other than that, they look pretty good. Look really good. Oh, I love the colors. So there you go. There's a Crescent Moon. As I said, I love this size. I will be getting a frame and probably framing this one when I do it because I think it looks so pretty up on the wall. But I just love this sort of background. It's just really soft variations in that dark color in the background. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I love these intricate patterns in this Crescent Moon. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got like those big sort of teardrops, the domed teardrops, that's what I'm trying to say. That's number C, and they are going to look absolutely gorgeous there. So really good use of these shapes, actually. Interesting shapes going on in there. So there you go. That is my beautiful Crescent Moon. I absolutely love that. It's going to look stunning. So one Crescent Moon diamond painting and one Dreamcatcher diamond painting. Absolutely love these. They are just stunning, and I love the colors of the drills. They're going to look magnificent when they are done. I can't wait to get stuck into these guys. Both of them will be flattening out pretty quick, so I'll just pop them under some books for a couple of days and then they'll be right as rain. So two absolutely beautiful diamond paintings that I got from DIY Digital Art. I'd like to thank them very much for sending these out to me for review. Absolutely love them. Can't wait to get started on them. I will put links to these guys in the description box below, as well as their website, that sort of stuff. And then keep your eyes peeled in the not too distant future, and I'll be doing review videos of these guys when I get them started. So thank you so much, DIY Digital Art, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!